Highball glass used for whiskey, soda, water.
Tom Collins used for long drinks for iced tea and shakes. Old-fashioned glass used for whiskey on the rocks and for old-fashioned cocktails. Beer mug used for beers. Aperitif glass used for aperitif wines. White wine glass used for white wine. Red wine glass used for all red wines. Tulip used for all sparkling wines and champagne. Brandy balloon used for brandy and soda and liquor brandy. Water goblet used for chilled water served at the table. Margarita used for cocktails like margarita. Martini used for all martini glass. Shot glass, small glass designed to hold or measure liquor. Dinner plate, large plate usual 10 inches in diameter used for main course of a meal. Dessert plate, small plate on which dessert can be served. Bread and butter, plate of 6 inches in diameter for individual servings of bread and butter. Soup plate, deep plate usually having wide rim and used for serving soup. Soup tureen, used as a container for soup dishes. Soup bowl, usually wider and more swallow than a cereal bowl. Consomme cups with saucer, used for clear soups. Cup and saucer. Saucer is used for protecting surfaces from possible damage due to the heat of a cup. Teapot, used as a container for tea. Coffee cup and saucer, used in serving hot coffee drink. Cereal bowl, used for cereals. Nut bowl, used for nuts. Soy dish, used for soy sauce, fish sauce, dips, and other sauces. Sauce boat, used for sauces to accompany entree dishes, mayonnaise, hollandaise, gravy, or for sauces for desserts, such as chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, and fish cream. Cruet set, decorative bottles used as containers for liquid food items. Bud vase, used to contain the flowers as decoration for the table.